my Nikki Boos. I sound all excited like I got something exciting going on, don't I? I don't have anything exciting going on. Other than the spicy chicken is back today. I went yesterday, couldn't get it. Had a whole attitude about it. So I'm going back today, and guess what, girl? Yes, I am going to freeze it. Come on now. Y'all know when you got them greens you cooked, they were so good, or this chicken was so good, you don't throw it away and the kids won't eat the leftovers, you freeze it. So baby, they about to sell it. When they sell out, they not bringing it back to the end of September. Guess who's still gonna have one every now and again? Me. I'm going to get them and I'm gonna freeze them, and I'm gonna show y'all if you think I'm playing. See you in the next clip. Hey woo, and welcome back to my channel. So everybody know we got this whole Popeyes chicken, spicy chicken thing going on. If you haven't heard, the stores that are selling out, once they are gone, you will not be able to get this sandwich until the end of September. So that's a whole month, and if you like me, that's a long time, because at least once a week you might want to have one. So I was very strategic in what's about to go down. First thing you need, of course, is some chicken sandwiches. Me, okay, I picked up 6, and the first thing you do, of course, is get your chicken sandwich. Chicken sandwiches. Second thing is don't eat them, okay? They need to make it from the store to your house in order for this to work. So, I bought 6, but we're down to 5. But that's okay. You need some saran wrap, and you need some foil. Now I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this. The chicken is crunchy, and when you have the chicken later, you want it to still be crunchy. So you're gonna follow exactly what I'm about to tell you what to do. I'll be right back. Popeyes probably gonna hate me for this one, y'all, but I don't care. First thing you do, that's your sandwich. Okay, I done said first thing 1,000 times. So when you order your sandwich with your pickles on the side, and if you can, get your spicy mayo on the side. Them folks were so busy in my store that they still put, they just messed up, okay, but they did give me everything on the side. So first thing, you're gonna separate these two. See, it's already soggy from the sauce, but that's okay. You still got all that crunch. See all that crunch? Yep, that man, that little soggy, but that was the purpose of you ordering it with your stuff on the side. Bread even is a little soggy, but that's okay. So you're gonna separate these two, okay? So you got bread, meat, and you got your pickles on the side, okay? So those are your side items. The next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna take this pepper, because we don't like freezer burn. I don't know about y'all, but I don't like my food to be freezer burned, tasting all disgusting. So you're gonna wrap this bad boy up, and yes, he deserves to be wrapped individually. You are not going to wrap them up all together. That's not how this works. You're gonna wrap that up like that. Okay? You're gonna do the same for your bun. Same thing. Don't act like your mama didn't used to put that bread in the freezer and you don't understand why she freezing the bread. Girl, child, it was preservation. She was trying to make it last. So that's what you're going to do with this. But you got to make it airtight. So that's why we're going to wrap them individually like that. Okay, the next thing we're going to do. Y'all got excuse me. You sound so good. I'm going to take some foil, honey. And again, individually wrap. You don't have to be an expert in the kitchen to do this, okay? You're going to roll it. Roll it. And you're going to tuck it and flip it tight so that it's good. And okay? Now, baby, you're not done. Okay? You're going to take this. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to do the same thing. Tuck it tight. Tight, tight, tight. Now your wet ingredients, these, we just going to put these in some foil by themselves. I'm showing you guys, oh dang, what I done did. I got some stuff on my pickles. Ew, that did not come from Popeyes. This just picked up from my house. Some nasty person in my house combing hair for me. I'm gonna show y'all for the video purposes. You're gonna actually do all your pickles in one foil, because they pickle. They're gonna last you forever anyway. Ooh, these so good. I'm gonna take them. I'm gonna wrap them up. Squeeze them tight. Okay? I'm gonna put them aside. So now we got all of our pickles is off to the side. We got our meat and we got our bread. You're gonna take, where you go? Popeyes, y'all gonna either love me or hate me for this one. But I bet I had me some Popeyes while they sold out. You gonna put your sandwich right back in there. Pack that bad boy right back up. Cause this made of foil too. So we want all the extra sealing, okay, that we can get. Tuck him right back up. Next thing, old freezer bag. If you don't have any, go to Dollar Tree. They sell them. Everybody got $1.07, $1.08, $1.13, wherever you live, whatever your tax. And you gonna put as many of these in here as you can. But the way my packing skills set up, I'll probably have all 5 in this one Ziploc bag. Let all the air out, lock it. You gonna label that so you know what it is, honey. And you stick this in the freezer and forget about it until you want another one. And that's that on this. Now, somebody might be asking, what about when you thaw it? So while I'm packing my other ones, I'm gonna tell y'all how that part goes. If you're interested in that, keep watching. So as far as how are you going to get the crunch back, you will not thaw it. Don't thaw it, okay? If you let it thaw, everything's gonna be salty. Don't thaw it. You're gonna take them directly out the freezer and straight into your oven. Not the microwave, your oven. You're gonna put your oven on 400 to 450 degrees. And you're gonna let that meat heat up. Your bread, you can thaw your bread, but if you want your bread toasted, you're gonna stick it in the oven. But other than that, that's it. That's all you need to do. Stick the meat in the oven on 400 to 450 degrees, and you good to go. Put your sandwich back together. Put some pickles on there. If you got your sauce on the side like I did, you can smack that on there, and there you go. Frozen Popeyes spicy chicken, made right at home. Y'all can thank me later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, guys, at She Is Blessed. Share this video on all of your social media networks, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.